It's another beautiful afternoon here in Bali. Very sunny actually. We just arrived to Nusa Dua. I want to show you a little bit what's going on around, especially the front of the Melia hotel and Laguna luxury collection, but also where was the construction of the promenade, actually the broken promenade. Now is the huge construction, but I think it's worth to show you a little bit.
So this area is called ITDC Nusa Dua, and you know where there are so many hotels, including over there is Melia Nusa Dua, the Westin, the Laguna resort, and then over there, that area will be some restaurant by the ocean. I mean, like facing the beachfront. And then after that, there will be another hotel including Grand Hyatt, Merusaka, Oinaya, Putri Bali, Ayodhya, and etc. But first of all, today we will stroll around over there first. You see there are brand new things gonna be. And then we will stroll around also in the Melia area. For those of you who have been asking us about how is it Nusa Dua, or for those of you who are planning to stay in this area, we'll show you around.
And this is the little bit of the piece of land where was the Pirate Bay before, and actually that's what left from the Pirate Bay. Well, the huge construction site just between the two hotels. Yeah, that's a big, something big is coming here, that's for sure. Basically, this was the Pirates Bay, legendary place. By many of you guys remember that. It was like a family-friendly restaurant just between the two hotels. And well, there's, I don't know what is actually, there's just a few big fans and some excavator, and the beach looks like this one, so much sand, and there is just like a construction site, but nobody is doing anything there because it's so quiet, but maybe because it's Sunday afternoon, right?
Yeah, and then
so yeah.
Over there, I think that there are, you know, many abandoned buildings. You see that covered by the thing saying that something exciting is coming up soon. But I think that
already for many years.
Already for many years, more than 2 years already.
So something exciting is coming, and I cannot wait when it will come, because nothing has changed here since the last 3 years recently. Seriously, like. However, this one is something new. It's open right now, and they have like, you know, the construction everywhere. And the promenade is also gone recently, but at least the local kids enjoying their time climbing the top, shouting and doing something. At least something, right? And yeah, that's the, there's some other hotels actually, and there's one place we're gonna have a look what's going on there. And to show you a little bit how abundant it is, really abundant, it's very abundant what I'm gonna tell you. The sun is very sharp, so it's hard to make a good quality video there, but yeah, it's like this one. And now we are working, and seems like there will be, I don't know, that will be the beach maybe wider, because there was the huge erosion during the last past 3 years or something like that. Definitely gonna look good when they're gonna finish. Hopefully they're gonna finish one day. And that's the one of the restaurants here what is recovered post-pandemic. And so happy to see that some lovely local guide bringing the guests here. So it's cool. Seems the business of Nusa Dua is going back. Yo, what's up? And you can sit like this one on the beanbag facing the beach. I mean the construction, but the ocean is still there. Ocean will always be there. So yeah, look at this one. This is like a Moroccan style or something like that.
Yeah, so one thing is that at this area there are 2 restaurants open. You know, like this one, I think this one is Bebek Bengil restaurant, the branch in Ubud. And this one, I don't know what restaurant is it, but look like the style in Seminyak, yeah, honey, the colorful colored umbrellas by the beach. But again, there will be another project, either the promenade or something like that. But yeah, so what I can say then, slowly it's bouncing up here in Nusa Dua.
Little bit of the abandon the project, what the something, what they said actually, something exciting coming soon here. I'm not sure if, I hope so, it's gonna be exciting. Doesn't look very exciting right now. However, this venue was actually pretty cool, but everything is gone. That's actually like a place for the beach club or something.
Yeah.
Pretty scary right now. now to show you a little bit more interesting stuff. I mean, that was interesting for me personally. I'm not sure how about you, but now is the one of the 5-star resorts here, legendary Melia, one of the best hotels here actually. Beautiful beach, and it's very nice place in general. So I want to show you a little bit. Also quite a lot of visitors recently in this hotel. I think they are nearly full book, which is I think very cool, because I remember the times when nobody was here. One of our videos is here where nobody was here. And as you can see, this hotel is one of the all-inclusive hotels here in Nusa Dua, so that's now is the drink Arvo, and everybody enjoying their time. Also they have a beautiful romantic restaurant by the beach, so facing the ocean like this one. But it's pretty busy in the hotel, I'm gonna tell you. I heard also a lot of people from Poland here speaking Polish language, and also Latino language, Spanish, Portuguese, and also Australian because mate, so must be Australian, most likely. But the people from all around the world coming to these hotels here. Melia is just a very nice hotel simply here, so I'm gonna show you. It's already sunset time. Very happy people preparing dinner. Here we go, that's the Polish group here actually. And, and then yeah, that's the fireplace for kids here. You can enjoy the time next to the beach. Definitely, in my opinion, one of the best looking hotels in this area. So. Why you laugh? You understand Polish little bit?
What? They saying kurwa, tak?
What you said, you cannot repeat, that's bad word. My mama will be not happy when she watch this.
I know that one word that they always saying that in every single dot.
Yeah, it's like a dot.
Like that. Sorry,
Like a
Mama,
dot.
I'm saying that because that's the most characteristic.
Yeah. But overall, busy, at least.
Yes.
Yeah, and then Melia, Bali, Indonesia. Thank you for visiting us. And just next to it, literally 5 meters after that, the Laguna Resort and Spa Nusa Dua Bali by Marriott. Very nice place. However, I think slightly less successful, maybe slightly less busy, but at the same time very beautiful place. And the beach here everywhere is just like this one. Very nice.
Yeah, it's very high tide today, and that's why we see that in between Melia there is, one spot for the tourists who wants to rent the surfing boards, and they will go surfing over there. You see, quite many people surfing there.
Also just realized as the Nusa Dua also have a brand new promenade. Well, this is the old, but this one very nice how they put the plastic bottles and the cans. And yeah, brand new promenade between the hotels in ITDC Nusa Dua. That's very nice looking. You could drive the skateboard here very nicely, like I used to drive in 2020 when I nearly crashed. You still remember that? What was the bad old promenade at that time during the pandemic times.
But
and
so many development here, right? From the what is it called, footpath and everything. Seems like they're really taking care of this complex of resort in Nusa Dua.
Yeah, very nice indeed. And that's the one of the restaurant bars in this hotel, Bali, what's the name? Laguna Luxury Collection, yeah, by Marriott.
And this one, I think, the bar with the swimming pool, the restaurant.
This is something new.
Brand new, right?
Brand new. They have a lovely gazebos like this one, or in Balinese language, bale, where you can enjoy. But this one belongs to the hotel, very cool. And another bar in the bale like this one, pretty cool. And you can cycling here. Here we go. They have a barbecue restaurant, something like this one. Seems like less people, but maybe the hotel have a little bit different concept. I don't think so. It's all inclusive. This one actually, particularly. This one is probably not.
No.
That's the why it's a little bit different. But these gazebos, bales, are very cool for chilling actually. Have to say. And yeah, they prepare for the halal. And I think they also have some renovations here. Luxury collection. Thank you for visiting and welcome to Westin Resorts. Selamat datang. Here we go, Westin. Okay, yes, you are here already. We are here. We're gonna show you another one. Westin is a little bit more into traditional Balinese architecture style. Looks a little bit older than previous hotels though, but nice and quieter. Melia definitely the most busiest one. So Westin actually also have a bale or gazebos, or I don't know how else you can call these buildings with the woods, but many countries have it, not only in Bali they have it. But it's characteristic. the people flying by Emirates.
Ah, that's from Poland.
No,
or
actually,
Russia?
they are Russian, I think.
Oh, okay.
I don't know, but they talk about Emirates, so that's
Okay.
means the Emirates fly.
Oh yes, the Emirates now opening.
Yeah.
One thing, Emirates now opening the big Boeing 7. What, honey? The bigger one.
Airbus A380,
Yeah,
actually, what they
yeah.
was thinking to retire them, but they are
Yeah.
actually still using them because people flying again. So happy days, and that's the very nice looking bar here in Westin, called Ikan, which means fish. Nice chairs, I like it. Pretty nice, not so bad, not so. Actually, all of those hotels changed the bars, don't you realize that?
Yes. So many brand new restaurant actually in this kind of hotel, yeah, honey, yeah? In the
Yeah.
Westin, in the Laguna. But I think in Melia there is no brand new restaurant. but
Melia
here,
stayed the
yes.
same. Melia stayed the same old, but this one is everything brand new, fancy looking, I gonna tell you. Alright, we decided to walk a little bit more further than we expect at the beginning. Nusa Dua Beach Hotel and Spa Bali, thank you for visiting. Another hotel, a little bit old looking, but nice, definitely nice. They have a live band, I can hear the music already. So cool, and security. Everywhere in this hotel there's security somewhere taking care of your safety. That's very important, that's why many people actually like coming to Nusa Dua, by the way.
This one is very nice. Look at the coconut trees, you know, place to sit and place to walk and nice garden. And what I see is that over there, the hotel occupancy is you know, what is it called?
Not bad.
Not bad. It's very nice.
I'm gonna show you a little bit shot of the ocean, how does it look like, and the beach. Starting from there are like 4 hotels belongs to this beach. Pretty cool, lovely. And now the last hotel on today's occasion is Sofitel, for everybody who loves the Accor group of the hotels. Sofitel is actually a pretty nice hotel, no doubts about that. I'm not sure what is this one actually here at the front, but the hotel is just there. We're gonna show you for sure.
Oh, look at that. They also have a small gazebo there just close by the beach. It's just simply like Sanur, but in the premium class up premium, something like that, right, honey?
Little bit like that.
Yeah.
And people playing here the volleyball. They have a beach with these huts. This is a little bit like a Mexican style actually, South American, Mexican, Caribbean, something like that. Also ballets here, lobby. No, this is not lobby. This is the place for the if you're getting married.
Wedding chapel.
Wedding chapel, and the hotel looks like this one. Big gardens, well, ballets, but they are closed. Let's see how's the main pool situation look like at the front of Sofitel. It's also getting to be late already, so maybe everybody already preparing for dinner. But here are already people enjoying by the beach, and this is very nice looking restaurant. I think also new, isn't it?
Yeah,
Pretty nice
this
looking
one,
new restaurant.
Yeah, beach bar. Oh yeah, this one is a brand new restaurant, I think.
Yeah, very cool indeed. And yeah, that will be the seafood barbecue here or something. Some people strolling around. And also this hotel is very unique because this hotel have like a restaurant there, as you saw. This is like a playground where you can play something, especially for kids, some sports, the big garden. And then there is special place where they have their own little beach club. Some hotels having a beach clubs as well in Nusa Dua, with the sitting on the beach like this one, very nice, and also with the private swimming pool facing the ocean. So you don't need to go to any beach club if you're staying in Sofitel and you like the vibes.
Yes.
The music is also party music, like
Yeah.
not bad at all. And that's the end of the hotel actually. All right, so that was the lovely afternoon in Nusa Dua ITDC, well, complex of the 5-star hotels. Medium range, they are not like a super expensive because you have a Kempinski and Ritz-Carlton and all of this over there. Pantai Geger belongs to them. They belongs to the Pantai Geger actually, and these ones are already like 30 years old mostly because the ITDC was finished in 90s, so it's like a 30 years. But these hotels, hotels have a soul, that's for sure. Plenty to choose from: Accor, Marriott, Melia Group, and independent groups also. Like Ayode, I think, is very local, and Merusaka is government-owned. So many hotels you can choose from, and that's the typical place for holiday and relax. There's not much actually outside. There's Bali collection, but mostly people coming here just to relax and playing proper holidays.
Yeah, so whenever people asking us about, you know, what is the indicators that the tourism already back? So yeah, we can see that from Nusa Dua, the hotel occupancy Nusa Dua, if they seems like, you know, quite high, so it means like, yeah, everything slowly bouncing back.
Especially in Melia hotel, because so many groups from Europe, including Polish people like me, they like to going by the group, by the agents like a TUI or some other big, you know, European companies. So yeah, that's definitely some indicator about the tourist industry, especially in Nusa Dua. Slowly it's coming back. So happy to see that. Meanwhile, thank you so much. Yes, make a closing, say goodbye to the people.
Thanks so much for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye. Alright, so we just decided to stop for a drink. Very thirsty and hot nowadays in Bali, and Damian already have a drink, and I'll show you how it is, the dinner situation. Very nice, romantic. And that's the swimming pool situation at this time. Still some people are swimming, so yeah, this is it, how it is. It's a nice vibe.